So I'm looking at a 10600 Kenworth Home Sweet Home. This is a really nice truck. Like it's really a house. First of all, whoever bought this thing, I don't know how you're making your turns like on these small roads. Wait, got a chandelier in here? No, that's not a chandelier. I really feel like someone was doing drug deals in this truck, but that's for another day. Hello, owner operators and small trucking companies, or looking to start a company. See, I keep telling y'all, proofread your stuff before you post. Know just about everything there is about running a company from the ground up, but you don't know grammar. Do better, Jeremy.